Well, we're going to be chatting to the only uncle in the vehicles spare parts business, talking about Mr. John Hunt. Malume Gunjani, and welcome back on the show.
Thank you very, very much, and you're absolutely awesome to be back on the show again with you guys live.
Fantastic. Malume, you say that we shouldn't worry and we should always be happy. What are the biggest concerns for motorists so far?
Basically, the biggest concerns that they have are the high costs of running and maintaining their vehicles, specifically highlighting fuel prices, unforeseen repair bills, and damaged tires due to road conditions. So unexpected repairs or sudden mechanical breakdowns, your engine overheating or transmission failures can basically ruin your household budget. So these are just, concerns that I'm saying to all the listeners out there. Don't worry, there are solutions in place.
All righty. So how can the boys help solving this worry?
Well, basically, just for all the listeners out there, if you're driving a Mercedes, BM, Honda, Tata, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, Land Rover, Renault, Peugeot, Citroën, Volvo, we have our SparesBoyz division, which specializes in all new and used parts for these brands. Parts Boys is another division of our company, all located at 89 Chris Harney Road. But Parts Boys basically sells every single part for all the other brands on the market: Ford, Toyota, Mazda, Suzuki, VW, Mini, Fiat, Isuzu. No matter what you're driving, even if it was a taxi, we have these divisions to help solve these problems. Because once your household budget is destroyed, it's making it just so financially difficult for people to survive out there. Plus, we have Africa Boys, which is an online shop which will save you money by just clicking onto www.africaboys online, all one word, and you can basically buy over the net and get the parts delivered to you. So that's our way of taking away all the motorists' worry out there. Everybody that's got a car, don't worry. When you're dealing with the boys, we're here to solve your problems and make sure that you don't worry, that you stay happy, and you let us do the worrying.
Yo, Malume, what happens to an illegally parked frog?
Well, the frogs out there, we get a lot of them parking illegally. But what will happen to an illegally parked frog is it will get towed away.
Towed away. Love it.
Okay.
You're only getting it now.
Frog being a toad,
Yes.
we're going to toad you away.
So,
Yes.
It's always a plus when we have you on the show. We every Wednesday, I think, by the time you and I or we speak to you, we go home smiling because of all these beautiful jokes. Malume, it's always a pleasure. Have yourself a great day. Until next week.
Be safe on the roads out there.